Hello, doctor. My mom is sick.
Oh no. Is she with you right now?
Yes, she's lying on the bed.
Is she awake or sleeping?
She's awake, but very tired.
Did she say anything to you?
She said her head hurts a lot.
Is she breathing normally?
I think so, but slow.
Is anyone else there with you?
Just me and my mom.
You're very brave for calling me.
I didn't know what else to do.
You did the right thing.
Can you please come now?
Yes, I'll come right away.
Should I give her water?
Just a few small sips, very slowly.
Okay, she's not talking much now.
That's all right, just stay beside her.
Her hands feel cold.
Cover her with a blanket if you can.
Okay, I will do that now.
Good girl. You're doing great.
Will she be okay?
I will take care of her, don't worry.
Please don't take long.
I'm on my way, just stay with her.